Well, I've got a pretty neat setup, I think, all hooked up here. What I've done is I've got my Tektronix 465B hooked up. It's got an output on the back that takes the preamp output from channel A and produces it to the external world. So what I've done is I've hooked that to my waveform monitor, and I've hooked that to, and then the waveform monitor then goes to the TV. So that what happens is I can probe over here with the scope, and then what happens is I can, you can see the video thing here, but you can actually see the video on the waveform monitor as well. I can turn it up so we can see it better on the waveform monitor. But yeah, it works really neat. So basically I can probe with the video monitor, which is quite cool, and also I can see what I'm probing on the TV all at the same time too, which is really handy. Which I've also got it so I can watch the multimeter and read the exact voltages, and even with the frequency counter, read the exact frequency of what I'm doing. So with one probe, I'm able to see everything all at once, which is actually a pretty cool way to do it. But I think it's very interesting to be able to probe and actually be able to see what is going on that line from a couple different perspectives all at the same time, which is I think a pretty neat feature. And what's really cool is that how it works is I don't know if I can get this to really show this, but if I change the gain on the scope, then it changes the output too. So it really makes the scope work like a input device. It changes the levels of everything, so I can actually easily probe any particular signal, which is really just awesome.